what's up, viewers and subscribers? You don't know, say it's your boy Face Skull, and welcome to another video. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please ensure you click the subscription button and support the channel. So we just come off for the road, people, and my bro sent me a video with Capleton have performed. You see me, so I do a quick reaction to that video, so we can get a quick understanding of what go on. Guys, Capleton has been performing for years and I'm still a pull crowd. So let's just get into the video. Let's go. Before the video start fully, you gotta ask AI to find out how long Capleton has been performing. Hey, AI, how long has Capleton been in the music business?
Capleton has been in the music business since the late 1980s. He started his career in the dancehall scene and gained prominence in the early 1990s. Over the years, he's become known for his energetic performances and powerful lyrics.
Alright, people, Capleton has been in the business for quite some time, so we're gonna just do a quick reaction on this performance. Let's go. Guys, the man still a move crowd. Not many artists can do this, no, people. Not many artists has been in the music this long and still a move the crowd, still a command the crowd like this. Watch this. Can anybody come here? Them man are the backbone for dancehall. You see me, for dancehall music.
Yeah, man, when we to the London, you know the thing was that. More fire can go. Turn fire there, burning. Yeah, man, hot as it. See? Yeah, man. Tell them there, me. Alright, then. Don't beg no friend. Anyway, we go out with the people and penny. You see me? More fire. Hear me?
That is it, people. So that was just a short, wow, I think a few minutes of Capleton performing. And as you can see the man still a move crowd, the man still a command the crowd. You see me I say, so that most of the artists if you try to do nowadays, you see me I say, big up to every artist out there, them thing, big up to Capleton. Dance our music to the world, you see me I say. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please ensure you click the subscription button below the video. Leave your comment in the comment section of what you think of this performance from Capleton. You understand? Until next time, face call out. Boom.